northwest of Caen. There the Germans are holding out. They've got some dug-in tanks, they've got perhaps a battalion or so of infantry, we don't know how strong they are there, but they're holding out stubbornly. And even now at this moment, we're laying down a heavy barrage of mortar fire on them, preparing the way for our infantry to go forward. On the road about 300 or 400 yards from where I am. One of our tanks is just... I'm lying down at full length there in the cornfield. Just in the hedges around me, I can see many men taking shelter behind the banks wearing their steel helmets, while this terrific barrage goes on around us. In this barrage, we've got our 4.2-inch mortars, our field guns, our medium guns, all the guns are complete. The shells are whistling overhead now. Just listen to them. As far as I can see now, our infantry have advanced across the open cornfield and into the wood. The artillery is putting down a concentration behind the wood, and one of our tanks there from my right has just fired a couple of rounds 250 yards from where I am. Further over to the left, I can see it seems this place is still cutting into the wood, over the heads of the advancing troops. The strength of artillery going down on the far side of the wood is intensifying every moment. Then you can hear machine guns firing from the hedgerow about a couple of hundred yards up from where I am. There's so much smoke and dust rising from the cornfield that it's impossible to see where our infantry approaches. And there are 3 or 4 tanks all of them firing.